Good morning from Dundas. You are joining us from everybody's favorite store, the Dutch Mill. Maybe not your favorite, but it certainly has a lot of stuff in it that will be a few of your favorite things, especially for Mom, Barb.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, our pleasure.
What an extravagant store you have here.
I know, it's huge.
It really is, and it's got something for everyone.
One-stop shopping.
Ooh, that's a good way to put it.
One-stop shopping.
Okay, so we've got Mother's Day right around the corner.
Correct.
What are we getting for Mom?
Well, first of all, number one is you have a chance to win one of these beautiful baskets. Okay, when you purchase a piece of fashion from our fashion area, jewelry or accessories, you get a ballot and you have a chance to win one of the baskets.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they have our fragrance Innis. Okay, this fragrance is from Ireland.
Oh, nice.
And it's very light.
Let me smell.
Very refreshing.
Oh, I like that.
Their body butter. It's beautiful.
That smells so good.
Yeah, smell that.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's not nice.
Oh my gosh. It's not overpowering.
No, it's great in the summertime.
Gorgeous.
Great in the summertime. And then as far as the fashion piece goes, we have...
So many choices.
I know.
How do you even choose?
I know, I work here. I don't take much money home. So we have everything from dressy dresses to casual dresses, all the accessories to go with, the hat, the jewelry.
I feel like I'm going to a polo match in this outfit.
Yeah.
Honestly, some of them are
And
really...
this here
beautiful.
is great for a garden wedding. And then there's this set here.
Someone's going to the beach.
Or a garden wedding.
Yeah.
And this actually is reversible.
Lies.
Yeah, so.
Oh, it is too. It's a different color on the inside.
On the inside.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Very light.
Flowy.
And
I love it.
Light and flowy.
Wow.
And then we just don't have dressy, wedding-y type things. We also have casual. These are two pieces that are great for traveling because the pants are lightweight. They roll up, fold up.
Wrinkle.
Don't wrinkle.
That's the best.
And it's a great
And
look.
it's cute. Yeah.
Dressy or not so dressy.
You can put it on with a pair of sandals or a pair of heels.
Absolutely. And then we also have over here, nice casual look.
Oh, I love that. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, Barb, well, you've got something for everybody here. We have so much more coming up. We're gonna focus on the garden center. We're even gonna have a little bit of high tea. So don't go anywhere. There's so much more coming up on Morning Live. Well, we are here at the Dutch Mill and we look fabulous, Barb. Absolutely fabulous. We've got our fascinators on. We have leveled up our sophistication and we are now having high tea.
High tea.
High tea, if you will. I love this space that you guys have here.
Yes, we actually use this room for obviously serving high tea. We also do meetings here, showers, a lot of showers. Small groups. The room will hold up to 40 people.
Wow.
Okay, and do the catering as well.
Yeah.
And a lot of bridal showers. Do the high tea.
Of course.
Yeah,
and what a way to celebrate Mom.
Yeah,
or
absolutely.
Not necessarily Mom, but somebody special in your life. Maybe it's Dad, maybe it's a grandma, maybe it's an aunt, maybe it's a sister, maybe it's a friend.
Absolutely. We get grandparents who'll bring a little granddaughter here.
Oh, that's so cute.
For high tea. And yeah, and Mother's Day is very busy. We're actually taking reservations. There are a few spots left, but not a lot. So Mother's Day, Saturday, Sunday, we're featuring high tea.
Would this be your typical kind of high tea spread?
Yes.
So you'd have sandwiches, which are beautifally made. They look delicious.
There's 6 choices of sandwiches. There's egg salad, tuna, chicken, ham and cheese. Of course, cucumber and cream cheese.
Well, yes,
that's a staple.
Wouldn't be high tea without it.
Exactly. And then you get your fruit and your scones and desserts.
Yeah,
as well.
I would just take this plate and put it right in front of me, but that wouldn't be very sophisticated of me, would it?
And then it's all served course, with the china and, you know,
Yeah.
the nice white tablecloth. And it's $28 per person,
Wow.
which from our competitors,
That is,
I heard, is very reasonable.
I would say so.
And plus tax and gratuity, it works out to be about $35, but still,
Wow.
there's a lot of food here for
And
that.
not only when you're having high tea, you can actually come and do some shopping because you're not just, you know, enjoying this. You've got a beautiful store to check out that has everything from furniture, wardrobe, jewelry, garden items. There's a whole section of Christmas that we're not even going to talk about, but I was very surprised to see that. Am I missing anything?
Garden decor.
Garden center, you can get all your
Grocery,
plants.
specialty grocery.
Oh yeah, there's produce here. I mean, it really is a one-stop shop.
Plus our tea room.
Plus the tea room.
Our regular tea room, which features soup, sandwiches, hot meal, salad bar, quiche, meat
Oh my gosh.
pies.
It keeps going and going. Okay,
Yeah.
Barb. Up next, we are going to be checking out the produce, the garden center, so don't go anywhere for now. I'm going to throw things back inside the studio. I guess you don't cheers tea, do you?
Cheers.
The Dutch Mill is the type of place where you can come and bring your family, spend a couple of hours, hang out with the animals. They have a beautiful play area, picnic tables for you to have your lunch on, and then do more shopping after that, Barb.
It's all about more shopping.
It really is. I love that we still have our fascinators in, even though we're talking about the garden center now. We're bougie in the garden center. We're fancy ladies. This is incredible. It's beautiful.
Yeah, world of color here in the garden center. We've got
Kill yourself.
the hanging baskets.
Yeah, they're just like, they're booming in color right now.
Yeah.
It's such a great time for the season.
Bedding plants, and just outside of the greenhouse is vegetable plants.
Oh, so you can start your own vegetable
Perennials.
garden. So you've got perennials, you've got annuals. Oh my gosh, they are in such good shape, all of them.
Yeah.
They look really, really, really good.
And hopefully, with the weather cooperating, and this weekend and the long weekend are our biggest weekends of the year.
Well, right, because we're celebrating not only mothers, because it's Mother's Day, but that's when people are starting to get their gardens set up for the season, right?
And there's we have like strawberry plants and tomato plants and herbs as well.
Okay, let's see if we can make it to produce before we finish this segment, because I really want to showcase that. It's very cool. Impatiens are one of my favorite flowers to put in every year because they add a pop of color. They grow so well, and they spread like crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
They're so nice.
Yeah.
What else would you recommend as a good annual?
Well, as we come up to the end of the greenhouse here, one of our most popular hanging baskets is our Boston ferns.
Oh, yes, of course. I have a couple of ferns. I love them.
Yeah. And we sell lots of Boston ferns, and they're very popular.
Well, because they just add that, you know, quick burst of color. You know, that nice vibrant green is so pretty. Oh, yes, here they are.
Our window boxes.
Oh, they're lovely. They're already all put together. You've saved everybody the trouble.
Yeah. And planters. Planters are just bursting with color.
Oh, yeah, and they're so well taken care of. They're beautifully put together. They look so nice. Oh, little planters, window boxes.
Yeah, little ones, and
easy to take care of. You'll tell me how to take care of it, right?
well, I'm not the gardener at my house. My husband is.
Okay, so we'll call him up and ask him how to take care of it.
And here we are at our produce, our fresh produce market.
It smells fresh in here.
Yeah, we have this lettuce is grown in our greenhouses.
Oh, wow.
On the other side.
That's incredible. Okay, like this is just another avenue of the Dutch Mill. We have so much more to explore, so stay with us here on Morning Live. The Dutch Mill is your one-stop shop for Mother's Day. If you want to buy Mom a beautiful gift, come to the Dutch Mill. If you want to take Mom for high tea, come to the Dutch Mill. If you want to bring Mom to breakfast, come to the Dutch Mill. You have everything here, Barb.
Everything.
And this weekend, you have a barbecue?
We have a barbecue out by the in the playground park area.
Yep.
Okay, I believe it starts at noon till 3. There's sausages, hamburgers, and all the proceeds from that will go to Animal Adoption of Flamborough.
Oh, I love that.
And then there's a band coming, and they'll be playing from 12 till 3.
Oh,
the band
excellent.
is No Sugar Tonight. They're excellent.
No sugar tonight. I love that. Okay, so what are we doing here? Now, we've decided that we're going to have some breakfast after our high tea.
Exactly. We brought breakfast back during the COVID years. We had to stop breakfast.
Yeah.
We had to stop a lot of things.
Yeah.
However, we have brought it back. And so now breakfast is served Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holidays from 8 till noon.
Oh, amazing.
And it's a full menu, lots of choices.
Let's have a look.
As you can see.
Ooh.
And it's served, so it's you know,
waitress, yeah.
waitress,
Yep.
and you sit down and they bring you coffee and take your order.
What a wonderful spot this is. I can't believe I've never been here before.
You would be surprised. People who've lived in Waterdown for years,
Yeah, they don't even
they
know
come
about
and
it.
they say, I didn't even know this was here.
Like it's such a little hidden gem.
Yeah.
But then I'm sure you
Absolutely.
probably have your regulars.
We do.
Yeah.
There's some people you see every week,
Yeah.
on the same day, every week.
At the same
At
time.
the same time.
But that's
and they have the
great.
same thing at the restaurant, the tea room.
That's amazing.
And it's very much a family atmosphere.
You get that vibe for sure.
Very friendly, and people enjoy coming.
Yeah.
We get so many compliments.
I bet you do.
Yeah, a lot of good reviews.
Yeah, I've only been here for a few hours and I can't wait to come back. It looks incredible. Okay, Dutch Mill Country Market, Spoil Mom this weekend. Thank you so much, Barb, for having us.
Thank you. My pleasure.